Yes, good afternoon students. Welcome back to online classes again. Yes, there was a gap for 4 to 5 days. Again, we'll resume the class. In the previous classes, we have solved the linear equations graphically, right? So today also we'll continue with that. That is exercise 4.3. Very easy exercise. One equation he has given, x plus y equal to 4. For this, we have to draw a graph for the equation x plus y equal to 4. First, what I told, we should write this in terms of y. That is y equal to 4 minus x. Y equal to what happened? 4 minus x. Now, find the values of x and y. Just by substituting the values of x, you will get the values of y. To draw graph, we want 3 to 4 points. Okay? How many points? 3 to 4 points. So very simple. First I will substitute x equal to 0. Then y equal to what happened? 4 minus 0. How much? 4. If you substitute x equal to 1, 4 minus 1, it is nothing but 3. If you substitute 2, 2. If you substitute 3, 1. That much only. Okay na? So, I told you to draw graph, we want 3 to 4 points. So, already how many points we got? 4 points we got. And we can draw the graph. So, very simple graph. Just to see the graph how it will be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Four, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, one thing we should remember, the units are very, very important. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. The gap also must be same unit. If you have taken one unit means every unit will be one only. Some students they will write here 1, here 3, next to 4, next to 7, next to 9 like that. No, we are not supposed to write because once we have written 1 means that multiples only we should write. If you have done 2 means 2 multiples. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6 like this. Okay na? Now, how to draw the graph? Very, very simple. First one is 0 and 4. What is the value of x? 0. Where 0 comes? Here 0. Y value is 4. Y value is 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. That's much. Any doubt? Yes. Now, what is the first point? 0, 4. Next point 1, 3. Here 1. 3 is there. Here 3. Next one 2, 2. Next one 3, 1. Oh. This is the graph. What is this graph? Very good. Linear graph. Linear means it is a straight line. So you can write like this. X plus y equal to 4, or you can write y is equals to 4 minus x. 1 minus x. So if you draw the points, 4 points, and draw the like this means you will get 3 marks. 1.5 for this and 1.5 for this. Yes. Okay, right. I think so. I hope you understood this question. Okay. We go for second question. question. X minus y equal to 2. Very simple. X minus y equal to 2. I told you always y must be positive. Here y is negative. Therefore, we will make it y as positive. Very, very simple. Just take this y this side. X is there. Plus 2 will become minus 2. That much. Now, how many points you want? 3 to 4 points. Now start. Same. Procedure is same. Only points will be different. That much only. Now x, y. For example, x equal to 0. Take small numbers always. X equal to 0 means y will be equal to minus 2. If you take x equal to 1, minus 1. If you take x equal to 2, 0. 3 means 1. You can take, if you want only positive, you can take 4. Instead of taking minus, you can take 1, 2, 3 points. Enough. Now you can draw. Again same. Better to draw in graph paper, then it will be easy for you. You will get accurate answers. Because whatever I am showing, it is only approximate answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. X-axis and y-axis. Now, these two will not take. We'll start from 2 and 0. 2 means here 2 and 0. Next point 3, 1. 3, 1. Next point 4, 2. 4. Therefore, it is nothing but x minus y equal to 2. Yes, if you draw with scale properly, if you take scale properly, it means you will get correct straight line only. One more question. Y equal to 3x. It is very, very simple problem. Y equal to 3x. Already he has given in the standard form only. Just we have to substitute the values of x, that much only, to get the values of y, x and y. If you substitute x equal to 1, how much will come? Y equal to 3. If you substitute 2, 6. 3 means 9. 4 means 4. Again, same. X-axis, y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Now I can take first 3 only, enough. 1, 3. X is 1. Y equal to 3. 2 and 6. 3 and 9. So what is this equation? y equal to 3x. Yes, next one please. Three equal to 2x plus y. Yes. How to write this equation? Very simple. Y is equals to 3 minus 2x. So please write down. Now just go on substituting x value, y value. For example, x equal to 0. Take small numbers. For example, x equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, what happened? 3 minus 0 is 3. If x equal to 1, 2 into 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. If it is x equal to 2, then y equal to minus 1. If x equal to 3, x equal to minus 4. You can do it, but here we want minus. You can take the help of minus. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. X dash, x, y, y dash. So already we know that in quadrant geometry we have learned this. This can be divided into 4 quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Now first point 0, 3. What is the value of x? 0. Y value will be 3. Therefore, it is on the y axis. Next, 1, 1. If x equal to 1, y also will be equal to 1 only. Yes. 2 minus 1. X equal to 2. Minus 1, where it will come? Here. That's all. Therefore, it is nothing but y is equals to 3 minus 2x. You can take 3 minus 3 here. Yes. Now, so we have solved graphically. We found the values of x and y. By substituting the value of x, we got the value of y. Okay. Now, we go for next problem. Second problem. Give the equations of two lines passing through 2 and 14. So very simple. What did you understand by seeing these 2 and 14? Anyone? If you substitute x value equal to 2, then you will get y equal to 14. So I will write like this. Y is equals to 7x. Y equal to 7x. Why? You can y equal to 7. X equal to how much I have to substitute? 7 to the how much? One more equation. Anyone? One more equation. Both x and y equal to 14 are equal to 16. How to write? X plus y equal to 16. If you put x equal to 2, y equal to 14. 14 plus 2 how much? 16. So this is one equation and this is second equation. You can write many equations. Yes, next question. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equal to ax plus 7, ax plus 7, it passes through 3, 4. What did you understand by this problem 3 and 4? You tell me. 3, 4. He has given 3 and 4. Means we should take the value of x as 3 and y equal to 4. Then we can find out the value of a. Very simple. 3 into what is the value of y? It is 4 equal to a. X value is 3 plus 7. Now what happens you see? 3 4s 12, 3a plus 7. Next what happens? 3a is equals to 12 plus 7 if it comes here minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5 equal to 3a. Therefore a equal to 5 by 3. See one more time please. A line is passing through 3 and 4. The equation is 3y equal to ax plus 7. That means what? He has given the values of x and y and we should find out the value of a. Now 3 into y value is 4 because first value will be the x value and second will be the y value. Therefore 3 into 4 equal to a into x value is nothing but 3 plus 7. 3 4s 12. A into 3 is 3a plus 7. 3a equal to 12 plus 7. If it goes that side, it will become minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. Therefore, a equal to 5 by 3. Please take it down. Yes. Next question is little bit different. Please understand the problem. In a city, there is a fixed charge for 1 kilometer. Therefore, we take like this. Let rupees x be the fixed charge. And y kilometer be the, sorry, x be the not fixed charge, fixed distance, and y, so please y be the total amount. Total amount. See now, for first kilometer, this is 1 kilometer. For first kilometer, rupees 8. How much? Rupees 8. Total distance he has given is x kilometer. Total, what is the distance? X kilometer. So for first kilometer, how much money you will take? 8 rupees. What about this distance? Anyone? A, B, P. What is the distance between P and B? Anyone? Good. X minus not 8, 1. Because total distance is X. In that, how much we have taken? Only 1 kilometer. What is the charge of this? 5 rupees. The remaining will be 5 rupees. What is the total charge? Y. Therefore, y equal to, for first kilometer, what is the amount? 8 plus 5 into, what is the distance? X minus. See, one more time I will tell. In a city, for auto charge, for 1 kilometer, 8 rupees fixed. Okay? For 1 kilometer, 8 rupees fixed. After first kilometer, everything, that is whatever may be, 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, 10 kilometers, whatever with the distance, he will charge 5 rupees. So we will think that let the total distance be x kilometer. In that 1 kilometer gone, why 1 kilometer gone? It is fixed charge. Fixed charge for 1 kilometer. Therefore the remaining distance will be x minus 1. Let y be the total amount. Therefore total amount equal to first kilometer plus charge for the remaining kilometer. Therefore 8 plus 5 into x minus 1. Now you can take is equals to 8 plus 5x minus 5. Y is equals to, again y minus, sorry, you can take it, y equal to 5x plus 3. Now we will find out whether it is correct or not. Y equal to 5x plus 3. We will find out the distance for, sorry, the amount for first kilometer. Okay, na? Y equal to, x equal to how much we have to substitute? First kilometer means 1 plus 3. 5 into 1 how much? 5 into 1 5 plus 3 how much? 8. If you travel for 2 kilometers, then y equal to 5 into 2 plus 3. Therefore 5 to the 10 plus 3 13. See, first what I told, for fixed charge is 8 rupees per kilometer. Afterwards how many rupees? 5 rupees. So 8 plus 5 30. So 2 kilometers 30. No, one more. He or she traveled for 3 kilometers. Then what happened? 5 into 3 plus 3. 5 3 ja 15 plus 3. How much? You understand? So very simple. So first one is 8. We are going on increasing with 5. Because the next kilometer will charge 5 rupees. So you can verify your answers like this. Okay, na? So first kilometer, second kilometer, third kilometer. Now if you want to travel 5 kilometers also, you can try. Yes, next. Yes. Here, he has given two figures. We should find out which equation will hold that figure. Means already he has given figure. Figure means already he has given the points. From those points we have to take out the equation. So how to take out? Very very simple. First figure I will draw. In this stack, very very simple tactics are there. No difficult at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now first one we will write. First point is 0, 0. Second point is 1, minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. And next point 1, minus 1. 1, minus 1. First figure please. 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 1 and minus 1. He has given three different equations. The first one is, we will take first one, y equal to x. Y equal to x means what did you understand? If y equal to 1 means, if x equal to 1 means what about y? What about y? 1 only. If x equal to 1, y is also equal to 1. But is it correct? Yes, 0, 0 only correct. If x equal to minus 1, y equal to how much is there? 1. 1 is there. Therefore, it is not correct. Correct? Because he has given y equal to x. If you are taking x equal to 0 means y also should get equal to 0. If x equal to 2 means y is also equal to 2 only. But here it is not like that. Therefore, this equation is not correct. Second one. Next one is x plus y equal to 0. X plus y equal to 0. Can you say is it correct or not? How to write this equation actually? Y is equal to how? Minus x. Very simple. X equal to minus 1. Therefore y equal to minus into minus plus 1. Correct. If x equal to 1, y equal to plus into minus, minus 1. Therefore, which is the correct answer? X plus y equal to 0 or y equal to minus x is the correct equation for this. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please take down. For this figure, among 4, which is the correct answer? X plus y equal to 0 or y equal to minus x is the correct answer. Now, did you understand how to find out the points? Already points are there. How to find out the equation? Just substituting will get the answers. Yes. Next point. Yes. Next one. Minus 1, 3. 0, 2. 2, 0. So minus 1, 3 means here. 0, 2 means here. Like this. So he has given 3 points. Which equation we'll see? First one, y equal to x plus 2. Only one you substitute, you will come to know. If x equal to minus 1, minus 1 plus 2, what is the answer? 1. Correct? Is it correct then? Not correct. Therefore, it is not. Next, y equal to x minus 2. Any value you take, any value, among 3 values, any value you take. We will take 0, super for us. 0 minus 2. Therefore, y equal to how much? Minus 2. But did we get minus 2 here? Therefore, this is also 1. Next, y equal to 2 minus x. Very simple. Minus x plus 2 also same. 2 minus x also same. Anyone you substitute. Now x equal to 2 I will substitute. 2 minus 2, how much? 0. Y equal to 0 or not? Therefore, correct. You can substitute anyone. X equal to minus 1 means what happened? Minus into minus is plus 1. 1 plus 2, 3.